This is the day, 4th of July, and this is my script that I'm running. I'll zoom in a little bit. It's just an Excel script you can run with Cobra. And actually it's two scripts. I've got one for the body and then this for the finale here, and I'm getting ready to dry run with my module. So go ahead here. It's actually, put it back up. I've got the actual show starting on channel 98, trigger 1, and then I've got the finale on channel 99, trigger 1. So we'll go ahead and start it. Let's go to the right channel here, 98, and I should just press 1 and the script should start running. So, oh, let's arm it. All right, let's hit 1. There it goes. Okay, it's actually running, counting down like it should be. And I'll run through this whole script and make sure everything fires as it's supposed to. And then, of course, I'll change the batteries out and have brand new batteries in before showtime. But all my modules. This is my module 1. This will be with 2 slats. And then I have 2 modules on channel 2. They will be my outside position. And then I have this is 3, channel 3, and these are channel 4. These are the centers and the finale. So we're going to test these out right now. I've got it armed. I'm going to go to channel 1. Start trying to see if these fire. Yep, everything's firing good. Let's try channel 2. These bolts should go off when I fire. Let's see. Yep, everything's working good. Go to channel 3. Yep, everything's going good. Channel 4. Yep, looks like everything's synced up right. All right.
Hey Bob, if you don't shoot them tonight, you'll be able to do them tomorrow night.
No. Last time I didn't do it on the 4th is when they called the cops on me. Remember?
That's right.
Remember that?
Finished it.
Yeah.